Hey guys, welcome back. Another wristwatch Wednesday. Sorry, I'm dropping the watch, but today we have this Timex Ironman triathlon 200 lap tap watch. Kind of cool. I think it's the precursor to smartwatches. It probably is a little overloaded with features, in my opinion, on just a digital triathlon type watch. I love these Ironman watches. This one, I'll be honest, I'm not really that big of a fan of some of the features. Number one, let's get some dimensions on this thing. It is a big watch. It's kind of an oval shape, not necessarily a round or a square. Case size, let's get in between the buttons a little bit. You're talking over 45, probably 46 millimeters. Kind of get almost a lug-to-lug measurement there. You're talking 56. So it's a big watch. Now, one thing I do like about this watch is the band. The band is replaceable on this, where some of those it's a little bit more difficult to replace. It's got the 4-screw access for the battery, which makes it very easy to change. I changed this battery and it was super easy, not even worth doing a video on. This is a 2025 battery, so it is a little bit bigger battery, I think, than what's normally in these. It has several modes. The chrono mode, and you can go in there and one thing you can do is tap this thing to start it. It's one of the features of the watch, and it'll start and it'll stop. And you have to tap it fairly hard. Let me go ahead and hold that to reset it. You do have to tap that fairly hard to get that feature to work. But let's go through the other modes. Oops, there we go. So we got the time, obviously, on one. We've got a chrono. We've got a timer, an interval timer. So you can do, intervals in your workouts. Just kind of the standard triathlon type watch from Timex. You can set a recovery time, a recall. Now this does have has a heart rate monitor with it also. But yeah, I think with a smartwatch, this one's probably just. Let me hold and reset that one. With smartwatches out today, and don't get me wrong, I do not like smartwatches. I'm just not a fan of them, and I think that's why this one I don't really like. If you're a triathlete, yeah, it's probably important to you. It's got the right features that you want. I'm not. I just like to do kind of your everyday regular exercising and use the timers and the intervals and the alarms. I think that's why I'm just not a big fan of. Now, of course, it has the Indiglo. As normal. I think I'm probably going to put this up for sale. Just not a fan. I don't know. Maybe I'll see if somebody I know kind of likes this. Let me know what you think about this watch. Again, not the big fan. Don't really like the shape very much. Love the band. The band is great. It has a locking tab on this band. It's going to be, see if I can flip it around so you can see it. See that locking tab? So you can lock it right there on the end of the band and always hold your excess out of the way so it doesn't get in your way. That is a good feature of it. One good feature of this display, with this watch being so large, is the display is large. So, if you're in need of that, you could definitely look into these types of watches. These aren't worth much. I think they were about $90 new, and probably 8-10 years ago. So around 2010, 2011, 2012, in that era. Again, smartwatch kind of obsoleted this one, in my opinion. But yeah, you could pick these up on eBay probably for $30, $40, $50 max. So not real expensive to pick one up. Anyway, that's all we have for today, guys. The Timex Triathlon 200 lap tap with a digital heart rate monitor. Check it out if you're interested. I'll probably put this one up in my eBay store and move it along. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for today. See you next time.